In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable wallpaper edit mode from lock screen on iPhone. So if you're tired of iPhone opening wallpaper edit mode when you barely touch the lock screen, here's a quick fix using simple settings, no complicated steps. So to start, open iPhone and go to settings. Now scroll down a bit and go to display and brightness. Tap on it. Now scroll down and look for raise to wake. If it is turned on, turn it off. So this prevents your screen from turning on too easily, reducing accidental long press triggers. Now method 2 is to go back to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility, tap on accessibility. Now scroll down and select touch under physical and motor. Now once you're here, scroll down and look for tap or swipe to wake. So if it is turned on, click on it to turn it off. And that's it. Wallpaper edit mode triggers when the screen is active plus long press. So disabling raise to wake and tap or swipe to wake keeps your screen off unless you press the button. You'll now avoid those annoying accidental wallpaper edits and keep your lock screen from changing unexpectedly. So these simple tweaks makes your iPhone feel more controlled and less sensitive, especially if you're always picking it up or putting it in your pocket. And that's it. Thanks for watching.